Hi, welcome to Cat Africa Afro channel. This is Patience, and today our model is a friend of mine, and we share the same type of hair for sale. So you want to forge some cute hairstyles from your short to medium length of hair. Just stay tuned, and please remember to join the family by subscribing if you have never. Her hair was dry, and I'm using simply water and my DIY leave-in conditioner and sealant. If you want to know more about this product, please just check in the description box. So this will help her hair be more manageable, moisturized, and easy to detangle, and also to put it into flat twist out. Well, her hair is not as dry as we expected, but it's still okay because we weren't going for a defined twist out. Just stretching her hair, moisturizing it is just enough. So with this, we are going to start with the first hairstyle, an afro. We are not going to lay the edges with our gel as most of you do. We are just interested in the hairstyle. I don't know what name to give this hairstyle. It's a cute one also. Well, if you know, then please share with us in the comment section below. Well, her hair is also more or less like, what I mean to say is that her hair is low porosity like mine. It has hard time, difficulty to take in product. You really have to take time to get the product, get inside, like into the hair, so as to be moisturized well. Wow, I love how this looks on her. Lastly, high puff. I love this hairstyle because everyone can afford it. So like you can see, we are not minding the edges. We just love to rock it naturally. So if you're interested in laying the edges, it's your preference. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate and share in the comments what you think about this hairstyle.